can use during praise and worship. You know, like, if you guys are scared to do, you know, put your hands up or something like that. This will be the thing that y'all can do, okay? It's called the fire dance. The real truth is we learned this going from Saul. We went to Saul and we learned this at Saul. And the thing about this is it goes with anything, especially praise and worship music, okay? Any kind of music. Alright? So here's how it goes. You gotta start your fire. So start the fire, guys. Alright, everybody set the fire. Alright? And what do you do after you start the fire? Y'all gotta fan the flame, right? Give it some air. Let's fan the flame. Come on, guys. Fan the flame. There you go. And what happens when you fan the flame? The flame gets big. It gets real big. How big? Up on the roof. And when it gets real big, what do? You raise the roof. Raise the roof.